America's children, hurting children, deserve help that leads to wholeness and not to the destruction of their minds and bodies. Today, the Supreme Court will hear the case of Chiles versus Salazar. This is an important day for children and families who are in crisis and the clinicians who help them. This case is about a Colorado law that restricts clinicians from providing talk therapy. The law forces clinicians to affirm a transgender identity. Colorado is one of over 20 states that have passed counseling ban laws. These laws limit a clinician's ability to explore their client's underlying issues. Through clinical experience and research, we know there are many factors that contribute to a child's distress about their body. But these laws prevent competent and thoughtful clinical work. These laws force clinicians to bypass good practice, ignore proper assessments, relinquish their sincerely held beliefs, and the science that repeatedly shows harm from so-called gender-affirming care. Clinicians in states that do not have counseling bans are not exempt from the pressure to affirm a transgender identity. Professional associations like the American Psychological Association and the National Association for Social Workers, accrediting and licensing bodies all demand adherence to the tenets of gender ideology. This pressure demands clinicians ignore science, reality, and certainly faith. But all this boils down to the fact that children are not currently receiving proper treatment, and they are being led down a path that brings destruction to their bodies and confusion and pain to their minds. Hurting children and families should not be the pawns of a political ideology, and counselors should be free to help them find healing and relief. We encourage the Supreme Court to make the right decision on behalf of America's families, children, and those who are called to help them. To learn more, go to AmericaFirstPolicyInstitute.com.